acting on the current carrying wire will sin theta. Here theta is angle between I and B. Okay. For example, theta value 90. For example, theta value 90. What is the formula for force? B I L. This is the formula for force. This is called maximum force. Okay, look here now. What is the formula for maximum force, Nana? Bill. Okay, look here now. What is the formula for maximum force? Bill. Okay, look here Nana. What is the formula for maximum force? Bill. In this situation, I discuss some problems, Nana. Look here. This is the magnetic field. Its meaning is magnetic field acting into the board. That means negative z-axis. In the situation, a semicircular arc is placed. Here, current carrying, look here now. Here, current carrying semicircular radius is given R. Nana, current carrying semicircular arc is placed in the magnetic field, okay, which will be at force. What is the formula for force, Nana? Force formula is, what is the force formula? B I L. Here L taken as L effective. In the situation, B okay, I okay. Here L effective is shortest distance between initial position and final position. This is the initial position. This is the final position. What is the shortest distance? Diameter. In the situation, B I L effective write as 2R. Okay, to see the problem. In this situation, what is the direction of force? In the situation, what is the direction of force? Direction of force determined by using Fleming left hand rule. According to Fleming left hand rule, central finger indicates the current, forefinger indicates the magnetic field, thumb indicates the force. Look the diagram. Here magnetic field inward, current direction here, force acting upward. Simply, what is the direction of force? Force acting upward. Write down Nana. What is the formula for force, Nana? On the current carrying wire? Bill. In the situation, L effective is nothing but the shortest distance between initial position and final position. This is the magnetic field, Nana. Here, this is the wire. Look here, Nana. This is the wire. Here, this wire current carrying is I. This is called crest. This is called trough. This is one wave. One wave travel a distance is wavelength. Okay, look here. Here, current carrying wire placed in the magnetic field. How much force acting? Force formula is bill. In the situation, L write as L effective. L effective means shortest distance between initial position and final position. What is the shortest distance? Lambda. So here write B I L effective write as lambda. In the situation we apply Fleming left hand rule. First to take your left hand. Forefinger indicate magnetic field. Central finger indicate the direction of current. Thumb indicate the direction of force. In the situation also force acting upward. Please write the notes. This is the magnetic field. Okay, this is the center. Look here. Okay, look here. This is called L. This is called L. Look here, all of you. This is called L. This is called L. Here, in the situation, this is called theta. This is called theta. For example, ORR, total angle between this arc is, once again I repeat, total angle is theta. Simply, this is theta by 2, this is theta by 2. The angle between the arc is theta. In the situation, current flowing here, current flowing A to B. Current carrying wire placed in magnetic field. What is the formula for force acting? B I L write as L effective. In the situation B okay, I okay. What is the L effective? L effective means shortest distance between 2 points A to B. This is the mid. So this can be considered as a X. This can be considered as a X. What is the total shortest distance? 2x. According to diagram, look here, B, I, 2. According to diagram, this is angle. This is opposite side. This is hypotenuse side. Sin theta by 2 equal to x by L. Simply x write as L sin theta by 2. Once again I repeat. Sin theta by 2 write as opposite by hypotenuse. Simply x value is L sin theta by 2. This is the formula for force acting on this concept. Look here now. What is the direction of force? Here current flowing A to B. That means upward. We take Fleming left hand rule. Here magnetic field inward, current upward. Thumb indicate leftward. Thumb indicate the direction of force. Simply in this situation, force acting on the wire is leftward. ఏ రూల్ ప్రకారం బంగారు కొండలు ఫ్లెమింగ్ లెఫ్ట్ హ్యాండ్ రూల్. In the first 3 fingers placed mutually perpendicular. Here central finger indicate the direction of current. Forefinger indicate the direction of magnetic field. Thumb indicate the direction of force. Magnetic field, look here. Here magnetic field acting into the board. Okay, In the situation, circular loop current carrying circular loop is placed on the magnetic field. Okay, in the situation, what is the force acting on the loop is Bill. Here L write as L effective. Okay, in the situation, here this is the closed loop. For example, here start, here also end. One loop means here start, here end. Starting, ending same. Displacement for one revolution 0. Displacement for two revolution 0. Simply on the circular closed loop is placed. Magnetic force acting on the closed loop becomes 0. Simply on the closed loop is placed. What is the magnetic force becomes 0. Initially, this is the magnetic field. Look here. Here, some wire is placed gently. Closed wire, that means closed looping wire placed gently and irregular path. Here, current carrying wire placed in a magnetic field. It becomes a in the situation, look here now, it becomes a complete circular path. Look here. Current carrying wire, irregular loop or zigzag loop placed on the magnetic field. After some time it becomes a circular path. Okay, neat path. Now here the question is, find the tension developed in the wire. Okay, in the situation I take some circular arc. Look here, some circular arc. Look here now, all of you look here. In the circular arc, look here, this is the circular arc. This circular arc made an angle theta with center. Look here, makes an angle theta with center. This angle is theta by 2. This angle is theta by 2. Here in the stringes, the force is nothing but the tension. Tension always pull the body. Look here, pull the body. Here also tension pull the body. Okay. Nana radius vector and tangent according to mathematics always perpendicular to each other. Once again I repeat the statement. Radius vector and tangent perpendicular to each other. This is interior angle. Here also theta by 2. Interior equal to exterior. ఇది theta by 2. ఇదేమవుతుంది 90 minus theta by 2 because radius vector tangent perpendicular. Do you understand? Once again I repeat, all of you బంగారు కొండలు, ఇదిగో ఇది theta by 2 అయితే ఇది ఎంత అవుతుంది? theta by 2. ఇది ఎంత అవుతుంది? 90 minus theta by 2. ఎట్లా సార్ అంటే ఇది 30, ఇది ఏమవుతుంది? 60. చూడండి, ఇది y, ఇది x పర్పెండిక్యులర్. ఆటోమేటిక్గా ఇది ఎంత అవుతుంది? theta by 2. రిజాల్వ్ చేయడం వచ్చు కదా. t theta by 2 చేస్తే ఇదేమవుతుంది? t cos theta by 2. ఈ కాంపోనెంట్ ఏమవుతుంది? t sin theta by 2. Here also same. This is t cos theta by 2. Here what nana? T sin theta by 2. Look here nana. In the situation T cos theta by 2, T cos theta by 2 cancel. Both are equal magnitude, direction is opposite. In the situation, net force acting on the wire mere చెప్పాలి. ఇదెంత T sin theta by 2. ఇదెంత T sin theta by 2. చెప్పాలి నాగేంద్ర ప్రసాద్. T sin theta by 2, T sin theta by 2. Both are add 2T sin theta by 2. Now here current wire placed in magnetic field. I take some arc nana. So that's why magnetic force formula bill here L effective. I take some arc means some length. Arc length denoted by DL, BIL. Right side, look here, 2T. Angle small, sin theta by 2, write as theta by 2. Sin theta, theta, when angle is small, less than 10 degrees. BI, DL, T, look here now. Theta definition is arc length is DL by radius. DL what? Cancel. Look here, is a total angle theta. What is the arc length? DL. What is the radius? R. Here tension developed in the loop B I R. Completed now. This is the formula for tension developed in the loop. Look here now. In the situation, tension developed. Look here now. B I. Okay. Here R nana. R indicate radius of the circular path nana. But I take closed circle. Total circumference 2 pi r. Nana నేను తీసుకుంది arc. దీన్ని టోటల్ సర్కిల్ కి అప్లై చేస్తున్నాను. టోటల్ సర్కిల్ సర్కమ్ఫరెన్స్ 2 pi r. r అంటే ఏం రాయొచ్చు? L by 2 pi. ఈ తొక్కలో వాళ్ళు నాకు అవసరమా? ఏమొద్దు నాన్న. టెన్షన్ డెవలప్డ్ ఇన్ ద లూప్ అంటే వాట్ ఈస్ ద ఫార్ములా? BIL by 2 pi. Tension developed in the loop is BIL